Louis Olivier, Director of Operations for Ambulance St-Gabriel, in company of my colleague, Raphaël Cote, paramedic for Ambulance St-Gabriel. Following an accident that occurred on December 11th around midnight, we had a deceleration from 57 miles an hour to 0 miles an hour in less than 1 second due to a frontal impact. We did our best to avoid the accident, but it happened anyway. As you can imagine, there was a lot of turbulence in the patient compartment. The monitor was one of the only things that remained secure, so I didn't have to worry for my safety nor the safety of my patient. It stayed in place and did not transform into a projectile because the mount did its job. We are very happy to have opted for innovative solutions that allowed us to keep our paramedics safe inside the ambulance and possibly avoid an even worse outcome that night. Thank you.